Hey, how you doing? It's Phil Carrick here. I'm up here in the top right of your screen. And how's it going? The reason why I'm doing this video, it's it's a bit crazy to be quite honest. I posted this post on my Facebook profile. It was only a couple of days ago, yeah, February the 5th, 2019. And it was basically, let's just zoom in so you can really see it. Can you get this sort of interest from your savings or bank account? 14 days on a 500, now that's a US dollar, $500 account, set and forget. And it really is. And it's absolutely amazing what I'm about to show you. And don't worry, we're going to go into live results. So it's not some screenshot or nonsense like that I've photoshopped, okay? I'm going to dive in. I'm going to show you what's achievable. I hate Forex. It's as simple as that. This is Forex trading, foreign currency. All right. I have no inclination to learn it, but what I am delighted with are the passive results that this it's artificial intelligence. It's a robot basically, and it learns trades. And I'll get into that in a second, okay? But let's just see. Imagine what was achievable if I knew what the hell I was doing. This is a set and forget Forex trading software. Past results. Now this is important. Past results are not a guarantee of future results. And this is the disclaimer that I have to give, obviously, in this video as well. You could lose money with Forex trading. Please be aware of that. And you should really only use money that you're comfortable, well, not comfortable, but you can do without. Okay, so look, let's just go through the screenshot that I posted here. The deposit 500, as you can see, $500 into the account. Now this is into the broker account. I'll go into that in a second. The balance now is 692.45. That's profit of 192.45 in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, guys. Okay, on $500 account. Can you imagine what you can do on $1,000 or a $2,000 account? Now, yes, it might have been a good week, but I'm going to show you live what's achievable with this thing. And as you can see, there's some of the pairs and some of the results. It was just a screenshot from my phone. Now, what exactly is it? Well, let's go onto my phone a second. So there you go. Ryanair. Okay, 2136. So let me see. And I'm going to show you. Okay. Oh, hang on. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay. Hopefully, the lead's not long enough, but you can see it. Okay. There's my phone. It's attached to my computer. That's why you can see it on the screen. If I scroll, hold on. If I scroll, there we are. So you know this is live. It's the 7th of February, 2019. And at the top right, it's 2137. Okay, so I'm just going to put my phone down because it's important to be honest. And you need to see things happen in real time. Okay, because there's so much crap and BS out there from marketers trying to sell you nonsense. Okay, I want to show you what works. And see down on my phone, second line down on the right hand side, you see MetaTrader 4. Excuse me. That's a brokerage software that trades. Okay, so let's just tap on MT4 and let's see what's happening. So as you can see now, all right, you can see live. Can you see? I've got the pairs up here. I've got the Euro USD, I've got the Australian dollar USD. These are all trades. These are current trades. Euro USD, dollar USD JPY, the yen, yeah, the Japanese yen. Oh, you can see the trades there. And look at what I'm on now, 728. So I'm actually $228 up, and I've still been only going for 2 weeks. Okay. Now, and I'm going to prove this to you. Let's just go over, let's just check today's, see how we're doing. There we are. Can you see that for today? And I'll show you it's today. Let's go up the top here. Can you see? It says today, and you can see last week, last month, last 3 Let's click on today again. So there you go, 21.70 up, 21.70. And that's on a $500 account. So let's have a look here. So 21.70. Oops, sorry. 21.70 multiplied by 31-ish. I don't know. Actually, there's not that many trading days, but let's just see. 672. Let's put 21.70. Well, oh, it's all going horribly wrong, isn't it? 21.70 multiplied by, here we go. I don't know, let's put 24. Be conservative. So 520. So that's 520 in profit on a $500 account. That, my friend, is insane. Okay, would you ever get that in the banks? You're lucky if you get 1% per year. 1% per year. What's that? That's 100%. That's 100%. Now again, you know, it can go down as well as up. But you can see that's today. Now let's have a look. Last week. Hang on, that's wrong. Last month. There we go. Okay, so there you go. So there's the profit, 228.17. All right, and that's from the bot just going off and doing its worst. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the robot in action, the little algorithm. What this is it's artificial intelligence on the next level. This has been created by a Wall Street trader who looked after the second biggest hedge fund in the world, and he was trading on Wall Street for like 18 years. And I'll show you the company website in a second. But look, as you can see, I've got a VPS server, a virtual private server. That means the trades are working all the time, even when my computer's switched off. Okay, and it can take trades like that. It's really, really quick. It's called the latency. The latency is split second. So whenever there's new trades, whenever there's ups and downs, and the market changes, the Hamilton robot, which this is what it's called, can take trades like that. So let's just double click on here and we'll connect. And I want to show you it in action. As you can see, if we go, actually you can't see because it's out of my screen, but we'll just call it up here. You'll see three charts. Don't worry if this looks crazy. All right, it does to me. It does to me. All right. The only thing I know in here is that those lines are called candlesticks. That's it. That's my knowledge of Forex. Scary, isn't it? But you don't need any knowledge of Forex because this bot works for you. And as you can see on the top right of every trade, let's move my screen down so you can see it. Okay, there's a thing called Hamilton with a smiley face. Okay. And it's on the pairs, the euro against the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and they're all on 5-minute time frames. Don't worry if this sounds like something from another land. All right, I'll help you through this if you decide to join. Okay, if I can do it, you can flip and do it. I'll tell you. Okay, because I don't even want to know Forex because I've got other things happening. I'm very happy for this to run on its own, as you've seen, making profits. Now, as you can see, the trades that we're currently in are down here. You can see the orders here, and let's see, we're in a few trades. Okay, we're minus 333 at the minute. I don't even worry about that. I let it do its course. You don't have to close trades or do anything. Okay, this is the software working. I'm not going to double click on that because you'll see all the software settings. But basically, it's this thing here, just there, called Hamilton. So let's come out of this server. And the good thing is you can close it. It'll be disconnected, but the programs will still work. Okay, so we're doing that. So that means I can close down my computer, I can clear off, I can go away on holiday. All right, it's still working in the background on the virtual private server. It's essential to have that. So let's just go into the company a second, okay? Let's go into the company a second. And this is a company called Silver Star Live, or SSL for short. And Silver Star Live, you have to be referred to it. That's the thing, okay? Because it's like an insider club. And whenever you try and register, okay, it'll say who's your referring person, okay? So don't try and get in without a referral. But Silver Star Live, let's you know, you can go through the company. But let's have a look at the executive team a second. And I want to show you the guy in particular who designed this software. So let's go down. So meet our executive team. There's Candice. Candice, she's created multiple seven-figure systems. This is her husband, Hassan. He's done the same. An omnipreneur and keynote speaker. These two guys here have been, I think they were quoted by Forbes as the ones to watch in 2019. But don't quote me on that. This is the person who I want you to concentrate on at the moment, aka Quicksilver. That's his trading name. Okay, 18 years experience, 16 consecutive years. He's tripled his private trading account, worked for the second largest hedge fund. Okay, and he is brilliant. He is in like the top 250 academic minds in the world. All right, he is just incredible. He builds artificial intelligence. These robots, they go out and they learn trades. So you just leave it. You leave it to do its stuff. So this is the company. Now, what I'm going to go over is how much this costs, because obviously there is a cost involved. Excuse me. So let's go back to home. But there's a beautiful thing to this as well, and I've already qualified for this. But look, when you come here, click on Get Started Today. All right, I'll put a link under this video, which is my referral link. You have to do it with my referral link, otherwise you will not be allowed in. Okay, this is a private community, and I'll show you how private it is in a second. We'll go back on my phone and I'll show you how much you support it. Okay, but when you do that, you register as a customer. Don't register as an affiliate. You're registering as a customer. Okay, so you click on that, and look, this is it here. So it's $199 initially to set up, and that covers your first month, and then it's $145 per month. This is for the software, and there's two types of software. There's one called Benjamin, and there's one called Hamilton. I'm currently using Hamilton. All right, and I'll tell you the difference between the two. Benjamin is if you want to have a trading account. And please don't worry about trading accounts. I'll show you the best traders to go with. It's free to set up. You just need to put some money into the trader account. Benjamin is if you want to invest $1,500 or more. Actually, sorry, I won't say invest because it's not an investment. If you want to put in $1,500 or more into your trading account, okay? Again, there's risk in everything. It's not an investment. Sorry about that. So that's Benjamin, 1,500 and above, and it takes less trades. It's more cautious. But what I have is what's called Hamilton. Hamilton is for $1,500 and below, and you can literally start in your broker account for like $50 or $100. Yeah, obviously your returns won't be as big, but you can start with that. All right, and I got Hamilton. So what you then do is you can get extra licenses. Don't bother with that. You don't need those, not at the minute. All right, referral information. Make sure you've got Sack the Boss in here. This is me, Sack the Boss. And then just put in login information. All right, give yourself a username, first name, last name, etc. All right, billing country, and just follow the prompts. And you will be asked to pay 199 initially, and then after 30 days it's 145 per month. But here's the beautiful thing. Here's the beautiful thing. Okay, this $145 per month can be waived, so it's completely free. So everything is profit for you if you're able to refer 3 customers. 3 people. Just show 3 people your results. Okay, just introduce 3 people to this software. You'll get your own sort of affiliate link. Whenever you do that, and they're active users, you get the software for nothing. And I'm currently on there, so all of this is pure profit to me. It's a no-brainer, honestly. And even at 145, you've seen. Hold on, you've seen. Let's okay. Let's go up here. Last month. Okay, there you go. And let's call up my phone. Okay, so there you go. So profit 228.17 after 2 weeks. So even if I stop there and still pay the 145, I'm still in profit on $500. $500 initial deposit. Okay, so that's essentially what this bot does. You've seen my phone. Look, I'm still moving it up. I'm still moving it up and down. You can see. Look, hold on. Let's have a look at the trades I'm in at the minute. Okay, these are the trades I'm in at the minute. And look, I've taken 2, 4, 6 trades, and there's nothing. Yeah, I've done nothing. It works. It works in the background. And look, I want to show you the support you get as well. Let's just sort of go down here. I'm going to go to the Facebook group, and we have a Facebook group called Off the Charts. So let's just go back onto my phone here. So there you go. Look, Off the Charts. Guys and girls, there are 7-figure earners, 5, 6, 7-figure earners in here. And look, all right, whenever you've got questions, you just go in here. Whenever there's an announcement like Trump's State of the Union announcement a couple of days ago, okay, then they put it on Telegram. Let's have a look on Telegram. Can you see the top one? It says Silver Star Live. Let's take a look there. All right. Look at these. Look. There we are. February the 6th. Donald Trump's State of the Union in 80 minutes. This shouldn't affect much, but if you're around, break even on Hamilton trains. Close them out in 15 minutes before the event. You can restart the trade at 15 minutes after Trump finishes. Safety. That's what it's all about. It's safety. And this is Quicksilver going on to Telegram and letting all of us traders know, all right, whenever there's an important announcement like Brexit, for example, that could affect the volatility of the markets. All right. All right. Look, Powell moves the market. All right. Close both trade software back on. Please close the British pound and the USD chart on Benjamin now. Very volatile report tomorrow. Yeah. And that is the Brexit. They're expecting volatility because of Theresa May going over and trying to renegotiate the Brexit deal. So look, we are supported, guys. We know we know before most other people. It's fabulous. It's absolutely fabulous. So let's just go back again and go back to the MetaTrader. Okay. And see how we're doing today. Oops. See how we're doing today. 2170. We're still at 2170. Okay. What more is there to say? So hopefully you've got a good insight into this beast of a thing, and it really is. And I'm very excited because I'm gonna pump some more cash into my trader account. you know, I just wanted to start at 500 just to test before I started, you know, showing other people. I think it's very important to do that rather than get all excited, you know, when you've got $50 in it. So I'm gonna start, you know, put in a bit more now, and hopefully that we'll see that go up. But again, results can go down as well, guys and girls. So hopefully this explains it all. If you've got any questions, I'll put my email address under this, and also a link to my Facebook profile if you want to ask me a question, if you want to private message me. I'll also put a button below this video, which will send you to this page. Okay, Silver Star Live. Okay, so again, let's go over it. You go to Silver Star Live. Just make sure that it does say referred by Phil Carrick. Okay, because again, you do have to be referred. Okay, so let's just, okay. I'm waiting for this button to come. Where is it? Here we go. Sorry about that. So get started today. So you just click on that. And you register as a customer. Don't register as an affiliate. There's plenty of time for that. If you want to do that later on, that's fine. But just register as a customer for now. Click on that, and you can view the details here if you want. But make sure that this one's checked. You don't need any extra software licenses. All right, it's just this one here. Scroll down to the bottom. Make sure Sack the Boss is in here. If not, let me know, please. Add your details here, your country, and then you'll go onto the payment screen at the next step. It's $199 initially for the setup and the first month, then $145 per month after that. But remember, refer 3 customers, you get that for free. It's all pure profit after that. So if you've got any questions, look below this video, and again, I'll put the button to this page under the video. And once you join up, I'll get you inside of the Facebook group. I'll get you inside of the Telegram, all sorts. So you've got support, and we're supported by the actual team itself, Silver Star Live. We're supported by Quicksilver, and we're supported by 5, 6, and 7 figure earners, and they do not get into this company without doing the correct due diligence, and neither do I. So hope to see you inside, and that's it for now. Take care.